Freaking fires. Run me or run me. Somebody, because if I see somebody. How that? Bro, you didn't even know! Yo, I'm back! Where the fuck, dog? Yo, let me tell you. If you want to survive in this whole virus thing, this is the one you want to buck up on, dog. Yo, just so you know. Well, you look at 30, dog.
I say how far me I come from, my everybody turn zombie out. Virus thing, brother.
It's set away. But, John, what it. Oh, what to do?
What I saw, igloo,
yeah, igloo up there, so, brother. Yo, so what are you gonna know? Cause I even know I'm hungry like whoa.
Yo, you sure nobody don't follow my yo?
Yo, nobody can follow me out of
everybody done zombie out there, my brother. People are on mad place. I'm going to come myself and I'm there.
Alright, so why pre now? If I'm gonna do some fishing or something.
Yo, more some water, go for it.
Alright, go for it. Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. So yeah, we're going to be doing like a 24-hour camping vibe, being out here. You know, it's a great way to isolate, you know, come camping. I don't know. We're there, so with Raj.
Yeah, man.
So go on with a vibe and thing. So yeah, we'll go set up and do some fishing and thing. Have some fishing hooks and stuff like that. Yo, Raj, all this. So Raj is going to be doing some traditional fishing, which is with fishing line, just regular line and bottle. Yeah man, you see me? So that's gonna be the vibe and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Before you even watch it, drop a like on the video because you know it's always epic when me and Raj link up. Don't know. And if you want to see more link up, drop a like on the video, it's gonna happen. Alright guys, so we really have to get cracking on setting up the lines real quick. So we have some shrimp here. So we'll cut it up and put it on the hooks. Got some frozen shrimp, and shrimp is one of the best baits because almost every hunting thing eat it. So set out some shrimp. I'm just gonna cut it up a bit. Alright, that should be it for now. Alright guys, so the rods are out. I don't think you guys can see them so well, but yeah. We're to set up the tent, which sometimes is the hard part. But yeah, let's get to that part. Yeah. Quick and easy. Just need to drop the spikes in and I'm done. So with the quick spikes, drive them down into the ground as best as you can, and that's it. Yep. Alright, so my tent is set up. It's gonna be a very uncomfortable sleep tonight because I'm sleeping on rocks, to be quite honest. It's not so bad, but I think after a couple hours it's gonna be really bad. Well, look at the view. It's the best part. Yeah, G Willigers. But it's still up on mine barely. Set that one the better. Oh shoot. Just got a bird's nest. Tossed it too fast. When I say bird's nest, it just means like all the line gets tangled up because you let it fly out too fast. So I gotta do this again. Me feel something here, something picky, pull your fart. Yeah, the pulley, something picky all again.
They are prayer so looking for something.
I think it gone, like it was picky. Jesus!
Ah.
See the bait gone!
It's gone, people.
Bombat!
That's it.
Yeah, I'm off the bait, brother. Shadow.
Don't try again.
If I did a spear gun, I shot him right. That was a close one, guys, really close one. Alright guys, so I untied the bird's nest from this rod, thankfully. Fishing is a very patient game and so much to learn. Very patient game, but I got it open, so I'm gonna go out a little bit deeper so I can cast further. Look at that water. Crystal clear, yo. Alright. Nice. Close a bit. Alright, one thing you can really do is just hope. Raj has his bait over here. Some squid. Squid will catch a different kind of fish. Snappers and such. Traditional line set up there. The line going out. Alright. I'm gonna help him deal with the bonfire. At least we're gonna have like a warm night. We might not have food, but we have fire for food. Alright.
So I'm gonna burn for you all night tonight, you know?
Yep.
You don't fuck up nothing here, so I say fire out here.
Okay.
I'm here love a bonfire.
Alright guys, at least we have heat tonight and some smoke to probably, you know, ward away some mosquitoes and stuff like that. So that's the vibe. I'm still waiting to catch a darn aquatic creature, bro. It's crazy.
Don't like blind fishing. Take too long.
You know, certain. You feel the heat too. Oh man, guys, still no fish, no nothing. Like if I had brought snacks, it wouldn't be so bad, but now. But it's fun though. You know, hearing the crickets or whatever, the stars are out. It's a vibe. Definitely is a vibe. Just praying for some food. It's been like what, 2 hours now? 2.5 hours or so. 2 hours 15 minutes, and the most productive thing we've gotten to do is this Hunger Games. As you used to say, back in the day, when we had no food, but the water full of belly. Yo! Please, Lord. You have it?
Hold on, I'm gonna feed him on it here. Come on, watch over, take it.